am actually with one of my class, my students. I have from few weeks now. So we will ask them how they feel to be a student with realistic fine arts.
I learned to paint to gain control of my hand after the stroke. But now I just like drawing as if I never had a stroke. So I practice with my right and left, and I'm learning how to draw with Ricardo, not just paint. It's a very forgiving art. It teaches you about life.
We hope to see Ricardo's art more in the world so more of you can appreciate.
We hope Ricardo will have a bigger class here in Cebu so everyone can learn from him. He's a hidden gem.
Thank you very much.
Very pleasant. Very pleasant. These lessons are like meditation.
It's better than yoga.
It clears your mind and makes you relax. And the snacks are delicious.
Of course. Oh, I am gearing for for the next session because I will be making empanada español. No?
And so far, I've been painting the bougainvilleas, which is more or less my favorite flower. And I look forward, because this group with friends and cousins, we're really having a fun afternoon. It's not only that we're learning, but we're bonding also together. And we really enjoyed the afternoon. And thank you so much, Ricardo.
Thank you, Marisa, for that. And it's my turn to tell you that I appreciate a lot all of you, and I really, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you because what we are doing, it's something very important for me, for you too, and doing art is good. Hope to you, I can imagine to do more things, more exhibitions, more class, more teaching. So thanks a lot.